in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, real quick, I want to just express the amount of love I have for you guys for showing love to the channel. I really appreciate it so much, guys. Y'all are killing it. All those comments and thumbs up go such a long way, so keep doing that if you can. And I'll give you a reason to real quick. We also have 2 giveaways going on, boys. Blow, we got a real diamond ring right here. Real diamonds, boys. If you get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, 24 hours, and comment down below, we're giving this puppy away. Or 3,000 likes within the day, we're giving this away. This gold rope chain, because it's worth a little bit more money. I'm sort of have to ask for things when I'm giving stuff away. It's not really much of a giveaway at that point, is it? But like, I don't know. It's how it works. I'm sorry. Anyway, comment, thumbs up. I know you guys can do it. And my Instagram's right here. Once you've done that, just message me on there, and that's where I pick the winner. Appreciate y'all. Y'all rocking it. Thank you. Thank you. Alright man, so let's get into this video. Now, what we're about to do is almost as cringy as like filming yourself giving things to homeless people. I think that's a ridiculous thing. You know what I mean? I'm about to film myself giving something to my best friend. However, I think it's not cringy because you guys gotta share the joy that hopefully he'll have when he gets it. Long story short, man, I hope a lot of you guys, and I'm sure a lot of you guys remember, Ian the cameraman. This guy will always go down as a legend on the NameBran channel. Boys, if you haven't seen him, just search up Ian the cameraman on YouTube. All our vlogs together and all that, they're just golden. But he's just the best person ever to me, and actually a lot of you guys probably don't know, he's my roommate. So I get a lot of questions like, are you still friends with him because he's not in videos anymore? The reason he's not in videos is because honestly, when you're filming with me, you gotta be prepared to get kicked out of where we're going, because that gives me good footage. So I literally try to get kicked out and banned from places while getting my footage. He's not that type of person, so I get it. Also, he's going for his master's right now. Like, buddy's like going way up to the top. He's gonna be a scientist. What we were filming just wasn't working out. That's why he's not with us all the time, but he was the other day. We'll get to that in a second. Anyway, Ian the cameraman, and I'm gonna stop myself for a second, because there's some weirdo, every video, it's like, you know his name's not Ian the cameraman, right? It's just Ian. He's a person too. Yeah, I get that, man. Like, I know his name's not that. If that was his name, I'd go and slap his parents myself for him. It's just kind of a character, so don't do that. Stupid comment. But yeah, he's my roommate, man. Dude's the love of my life. You know what I mean? In a friendship way. I said that as a joke, but everyone's not gonna think that's a joke. He's been so good to us, man. He's just put out so much content. I paid him for it and stuff like that, but just living with him and him being the best friend that he is to me, I wanted to give back in this video. You know, we're making a good amount of money from YouTube, and I saw that something intrigued him the other day that we bought, and I'd like to give it to him because dude's gotten me out of very tricky situations. Great friend, like I say, you know, when I get a little belligerent, and he's got me out of a lot of fights, let's say that, and a lot of bad stuff, and you know, I've got his back always too. So long story short, we're giving him something real cool today. Here's a little throwback. I was just watching this video yesterday because I was trying to find like a cool clip of us together. Here's the last thing, maybe not the last thing, but something I gave to him in the past. I gave him a whole kind of expensive outfit, and I thought his reaction was like mad cute, so rolled that real quick. You wanna go try it on now?
Yeah, let's do it, boys. Let's do it. Let's do this thing.
Go. Yeah, we can't wait. We can't wait.
Alright, I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Here we go, boys. See the man. Da, 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 da. Oh my god. Bruh. you look really good. Yeah?
I know. This is awesome. I like this.
Yeah, man. Look at you go.
Yeah, this is totally gonna get me chicks, right?
Yeah, oh for sure.
Awesome. Yeah, I like it. I like this.
You do. Yeah. Look at your face. I actually haven't seen you bubbly. Look at you. What a guy, man. You know what I mean? You can't not like him. So anyway, let's go find this piece and package it up for him. He's actually not here right now. He's at school till like 6 o'clock today, which is why this might be a later upload. I gotta wait for him to come home to film that clip. But let's go package this thing. I'm pretty excited to give it to him. Once again, the other day, when I showed it to him actually on video, I don't know if y'all saw that, he expressed interest, but after that video, I was wearing it a little bit and he really, really liked it. He's like, man, that's a really, really cool watch. What we're giving him is watch. I guess I just spoiled it. So let's go into this room that I'm not going to show you guys. I know it's in my jewelry chest. Man, my room is just a freaking mess. It's the worst thing ever. How about we turn on the light here, bud? Oh god. A freaking bomb went off in here, boys. I had the boys partying the other day. We trashed the place. We thought it was fun at the time, and now I got beer cans everywhere. Anyway, within this very unorganized jewelry box right here, which I probably should have... You guys see how much I don't care about things? If somebody cared, they just make this look cool. Like, did. I should have. I'm regretting it. We're giving him this, boys. A Johnny Dang watch. Now here's the thing with that, man. I'd love to give him like a diamond bracelet or something like that, but that would just be out of his style. He doesn't wear stuff like that. I've never seen him ever wear jewelry, but I always see him wear watches, and he expressed real interest in this. It's just something that's really, really low key, I guess. It says Johnny Dang. I mean, it's mad dope, I think, and I'm freaking excited. I'm very excited. But like I say, I could be giving him something more expensive, but it's just not his style, which I really respect too. It's like, buddy doesn't want or need for anything, you know what I mean? And I'm the asshole walking around with diamonds on my wrist. It's stupid. Got the Johnny Dang bag. We're gonna package it up, vlog style mode. All right, so when I bought this watch, it actually didn't come with a box. I found a box. I can give it to him right here. Once again, just a cool close up. I don't know if everyone saw the video or not, but it just says Johnny Dang there. Not ticking right now. I gotta get a battery. Damn. Idiots! Whatever, I'll buy him a battery tomorrow, but just low-key, it's his style, man. We'll put it in the box right here. I'm not too good at packaging. We got the Johnny Dang bag. We're gonna put it in. Buddy actually knows who Johnny Dang is too. He knows he's a big deal. One thing, which is just kind of a brand thing. Nobody gets a gift from me, and I'm saying no, like I do this to my mom too. It's just been a thing since I was younger because I'm an immature idiot. Nobody gets a gift without a little dick drawing. Well, not everyone. I mean, I don't give it to my family, but my mom knows me by now, so this is how I wrap my packages. You don't need much. A lot of people put a little too many dots on this thing right here. You don't need much. It ruins it. Well, something like that. Blah. Then you fold one side, you fold the other side, and then you package it just like so. And there we go. That's how you wrap a little something for pretty cheap. So boys, I'm gonna wait for him to come home. It's like 4 o'clock right now. I got a couple hours. I'm gonna edit this up because I gotta get this up later. The outro, there might not be one because I gotta get this up right away. That's what it is. Hey, Ian?
Yeah?
Yeah, I have a second. I just want to put you in the vlog with the boys.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I got a little gift for you if you can close your eyes.
Okay.
Alright, cool, man. It's kind of like out of nowhere. But you've been a real big thing to the channel and stuff like that. And the boys like you a little bit more than I think they like me, which makes me kind of want to punch you, but I'm just kidding. You're still a good guy. I got you a little gift, though. You can open up.
Okay, I told you, you can't just give me your cat like that. I mean,
I've been trying to give him this damn cat as my girlfriend's. Hey, you're still good. Okay,
yeah.
Now I actually have a gift for you. Do you want to just do it here? It's a little something.
Yeah, sure.
Cool, man. I just did like the first clip or whatever. I was waiting for you to come home, so if I could just place this down, I'll go grab it. Is that a good place? We'll just do that.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna turn it off and.
Maybe she wants a little.
I'll be right back. Be right back. Alright, man, so it's not much. Actually, maybe I'll just vlog style this. It's not much. But, man, you've been a huge friend to me. Love you to death. Thought I'd give you a little something. Getting jewelry all the time.
Oh,
I wrapped it myself. It's not that cool. But it's something.
Oh, this is the watch.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is the Johnny Dang watch.
Yeah.
Man, are you sure? This is.
Yeah, do you actually like it?
Yeah, no, it's sick, but. Are you sure though?
Yeah,
like,
of course, man, of course. I saw like your reaction the other day when I was wearing it. You kind of liked it, and I know you don't like. I would have given you a really cool chain or something like that, but I know you don't really wear that stuff.
Yeah.
Thought it'd be kind of your style, man.
Thanks, man. This is really cool.
Oh, holy flip! Yes, we did it, boys. You actually like it?
Yeah.
If you want a different watch, I can give you a different watch or something like that. It's just kind of spur of the moment.
Cool, yeah, that's actually kind of a nice bag, even.
Yeah, no, it's Johnny Dang, man.
Man, this thing actually fit.
Oh, you gotta clasp it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
There you go, dude.
I think it's actually on that time.
It looks good, man. It looks good. We can switch up the strap, or if you want something different, we can figure that out. But
it actually fits really nice.
Yeah, right on. You're happy?
Thanks, man.
Love it to death, dude. You wanna look at it in the mirror? Oh, check it out in the mirror. I wanna see how it looks in the. Oh. That's just my classic wrapping. But he's got a freaking, what's that called? Bar. A bar.
Yeah.
Tell I spend too much time at the bar if I can't remember the name. How's that look, man?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
It's a cool shot. Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. I'm glad.
Yeah, thanks, man. This is
Cool.
I really appreciate it.
So, yeah, of course. It's from the boys too, man. They give us money to do this. So I didn't really do an outro because I had to wait for you to get home. And I don't have really time to do our outro for sure. So you want to help me with an outro?
Okay. So, yeah.
Appreciate. Do you remember what we said?
Man, it's been a while.
We just thanked them for watching, really. Appreciate y'all for watching. Ian got his gift. I'm stoked about it, man. I think it looks really good on you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, thanks, man. This is awesome.
Of course, bro. Anyway, boys, appreciate y'all for watching. Ian, the cameraman. All right, you also did a joke earlier. It's like not really even a joke. Whenever I say Ian, the cameraman, there's always people who are like, stop calling him that. He has a real name. It's Ian. It's like, yeah, but like that's his character name, you idiots. Anyway, appreciate y'all, man. Ian likes his little gift. I'm stoked about it. Heck yeah. Back in action. We're back in that. Well, actually, no, we're back in the action. Bye.
Okay, see you later, boys.
Yep.